when the summer sun beats down. A frosty drink is a true friend. These Amytor easy-release ice cube trays are like secret agents. They work quietly. Each tray holds 14 ice cubes. Therefore, you get many cubes. They are made of silicone. This material is super flexible. You just twist them. The cubes pop right out. No more wrestling with stiff plastic. Furthermore, the silicone is BPA-free. So, your ice is safe. It's a healthy choice. Also, these trays are durable. They will last many summers. They are not flimsy. They feel solid in your hand. Ultimately, they make ice making a breeze. You will enjoy their simplicity. Moreover, these Amytor easy-release ice cube trays have a clever lid. It fits snugly on top. This lid is spill-resistant. Hence, you can carry the tray without drips. No more watery trails. It also keeps your ice fresh. The lid prevents freezer smells. Imagine, onion-flavored ice is no more. Additionally, the lid is removable. This makes filling easy. Then, you simply snap it on. The design is very thoughtful. Consequently, your freezer stays neat. The trays stack well. This saves space. Truly, they are a freezer organizer's dream. You will appreciate their smart design. Finally, cleaning these Amytor easy-release ice cube trays is effortless. They are dishwasher safe. Just toss them in. They come out sparkling clean. No scrubbing is needed. Furthermore, their simple design means no hidden corners. Bacteria cannot hide. Hence, they are hygienic. This 2-pack offers great value. You get double the ice. It's perfect for parties or for a thirsty family. In conclusion, these trays are a kitchen essential. They are a reliable tool. They make your life easier. Therefore, they are a worthwhile investment. You will wonder how you lived without them. Pros: no splash when carrying, wonderful lids, silicone base and plastic shell is genius. Cubes are easy to get out. Good medium-size cubes, no spill once lids are on. Easy to release cubes. Great for sensitive, arthritic hands. Fits well in side-by-side fridge. Covers are included. Stackable, no worries about spillage. Easy to pop cube out. Much easier than standard trays. Ice comes out super easy. Cons: lid tab cracked off. Cubes are a little smaller. Trays much smaller than regular. A bit over priced. Hope they will last. Features: silicone material, easy release design, flexible trays, makes 14 ice cubes per tray. Spill resistant lid, removable lid, BPA-free, durable construction, dishwasher safe, comes in a 2-pack. The Amytor ice cube trays are made of flexible silicone, which makes it easy to get ice cubes out. Each tray makes 14 ice cubes and comes with a lid that helps prevent spills. The lids can also be removed. These trays are safe to use because they are BPA-free. And they are built to last. You can clean them easily in the dishwasher. You get 2 trays in each pack. The Amytor ice cube trays are a 2-pack of silicone trays with plastic shells, designed to make ice making easier. They feature spill-resistant lids, which prevent splashes when carrying and allow for stacking in your freezer, even in side-by-side fridges. The combination of the flexible silicone base and sturdy plastic shell makes it very easy to release the ice cubes, which are a good medium size. And this design is especially helpful for people with sensitive or arthritic hands. While some users found the trays and cubes a bit smaller than regular trays and thought they were a little overpriced, the overall consensus is that they are much easier to use than standard ice cube trays. One minor issue reported was a lid tab cracking off for one user.